What if I told you that in today's America, you could skip a 4-year college degree, avoid tens of thousands of dollars in student debt, and still earn 6 figures? That sounds controversial, especially in a country where going to college has been seen as the default path to success for generations. But the real question is not which path sounds more prestigious. The real question is simple. If your goal is financial success, does trade school or college actually make you more money? Most people won't comment. If this surprised you, type what shocked you the most. Like it so this story doesn't die here. Subscribe, because the next one will hit even harder. For decades, students across the United States were told that a bachelor's degree was the safest path to a stable career. And in many cases, that is still true. Careers in medicine, law, engineering, finance, and technology absolutely require college. In those fields, a degree is not optional, it is essential. But the economic reality has shifted. College tuition has risen dramatically over the past 30 years. The average in-state tuition at a public 4-year university is around $10,000 per year, not including housing and other expenses. Private universities can cost $40,000 per year or more. Many graduates leave school with significant student loan debt that takes years, sometimes decades, to repay. Now compare that to trade school. Most vocational programs last 1 to 2 years and cost significantly less. Students train for specific, high-demand skills such as electrical work, plumbing, HVAC repair, welding, or commercial driving. These industries are facing labor shortages across the country as older workers retire. Here is where the money conversation gets interesting. Time matters. A college student typically spends 4 years in school before earning full-time income. A trade student may complete training in 18 months and begin working immediately. That means while one person is still paying tuition, the other is already earning. If a trade graduate starts at $50,000 per year, they could earn close to $100,000 before the college graduate even enters the workforce. Now let's talk about salaries. On average, Americans with a bachelor's degree earn more over a lifetime than those with only a high school diploma. But, averages can be misleading. Some degrees lead to high-paying careers, while others do not. An engineering or computer science graduate may start at $80,000 or more, but a graduate in a lower-demand major might start closer to $40,000. Meanwhile, experienced electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians often earn between $60,000 and $90,000 annually. And those who start their own businesses can actually exceed 6 figures. Here is the surprising part. In certain regions of the United States, skilled trades are outpacing demand. Contractors are booked months in advance. That scarcity gives trade professionals pricing power, and pricing power means higher income potential. So which path makes more money? The honest answer is this. It depends on what you study, how much debt you take on, and how strategic you are. A well-chosen college degree in a high-demand field can absolutely lead to higher long-term earnings, but an unfocused degree with heavy debt can delay financial growth. On the other hand, a skilled trade can offer strong income quickly, with less debt and faster return on investment. This decision matters because it shapes your financial future. Choosing without researching costs, salaries, and market demand can lead to years of financial stress or missed opportunity. So before deciding, ask yourself 3 things. What is the total cost of this path? What is the realistic starting salary in my state? And what kind of lifestyle do I want long-term? Trade school is not a backup option. College is not automatically superior. Both can lead to success in America. The difference is clarity and strategy. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to choose today based purely on income potential, which path would you take, trade school or college? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you think more clearly about your future, subscribe for more honest, practical breakdowns like this.